Hey everybody, welcome back to another Krita tutorial. Today we're going to kind of go over the rough concept of the assistant tools. And what those are just tools to help you with perspective and mainly perspective and distance and things like that. So just to get started and just give an introduction to where all the settings are going to be, since this is the first introductory video, we're going to go over to the toolbar here. Now yours may look a little different than mine. Mine's customized, but it is going to be right here next to the measure tool. And once you have this button activated, you want to go over to your tool options docker, and this is where we're going to be making the most changes. You can see we have a ton of options here. We have a limit assistant to the area. We can change the color of the assistant tool. So if we are using multiple of any of these, we can kind of see each one a little easier. We can change the opacity on them, so we can highlight specific ones during different parts of our drawing. We can save it out or bring in a specific assistant tool that we've already set up. And we can trash all of the ones that we want. Now I'm just going to make a 2-point perspective here just to give you an idea of what the tool looks like and the user interface that it creates. So you can see that it automatically creates a perspective here. And we have this little bar here. So you can see if we click on these little icons here, this arrow, it moves the entire setup. So if I want my horizon line to be up here, I can move that there. If I want it to be down here, I can move it there. If I just want to move this bar, I click these dotted box here. If I want to delete it, I can hit the trash icon. If I want to hide it, I can do that. So now I can just go ahead and make another one and trash that. But I can't really, I'm not gonna be like bogged down with the perspective lines. And I can lock it. So that means I can't actually click on the arrow, or what they're called. I can't click on these to go ahead, the anchors, sorry. I call them the anchors. I can't change them at all. So as you see, I'm trying to click and change it, but it's just making another perspective grid for me. But I can still move this box. And you can enable with the vertical ruler. If we go to draw, that changes things. So there's actually different settings in between each one here for the different options. And we'll go over those with each video. But this is the general system of how the assistant tools work with the perspective and everything else. And that way, if you just want to jump right in and you don't want to watch the other videos going over all these different perspective options, that's totally fine. You can just watch this video, go experiment yourself, and you're good. However, if you want to go through each one, make sure to like this video, of course, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next couple of videos where we're going over the different options for each one. Because as you can see, let's see, there's one that's different. Yeah, vanishing point has a different option, perspective has some options that go away, all that good stuff. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the refresher of the assistant tools in Krita, and I will see you in the next video.